Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back today. Well, you probably guessed it. We're in the downtown Kato Paphos Harbour area. We're going to storm the harbour, but this time we're going to go the wrong way. Silvia?
All we do is right way, Mr. Paul. Don't make me crazy now. Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again and again.
And again. So, the first bar on our radar, well, it's Stevie's. There it is. There's their rear of house, and there's their front of house, and there is the greatest man in the world. You all right?
Love you guys always.
Mr. Ooh, la 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 la.
Always.
And a Gamma Jubba. Stick with us. We're going to keep going the wrong way. The next one, of course, is Sail at the Castle. There it is. The kitchen and the bar. That's their rear end, which is the sports bar area, and that's their front end, which is the busy restaurant area. And the next one, and our favourite place because it suits us down to the ground. And there's my Gumbaro, Mr. Andreas. You're right, Andreas? How are you doing?
Very nice.
Have you found that girlfriend, yeah?
Okay.
You're still looking?
It's time.
Still looking?
Not too many strawberry plants.
No.
Look.
Get into that beer fest. Find one in there. We'll have a look over there.
I'll go.
Okay? See you later. He's one of our friends. He's one of our Gumbaros. Hold on. We've got to introduce you to the most handsome man in the whole harbour. There he is. You all right? How are you doing? Good? Yeah. Yes? That's Mr. Emmanuel. What's going on? It's empty. All we've got is Gumbaro number 1 and Layla. What's going on? Well, you better keep our table.
We're having festival, so everyone...
The festival has stolen everybody. Where are we, you're wondering? Where are we? The greatest place in the whole of downtown Kato Paphos. The Gelamo. Great ice cream. There's Mr. George in the background. And at the front of the house over there, Mr. Andreas. He's one of the brothers. He's the boss. You all right, Andreas? How are you doing? Good? We'll be back in a bit. We'll be back. We'll go and give us some custom in a bit. But the beer feast down there is stealing all the customers. Next one. There it is. There's Mr. Andreas himself, the man in charge. You're Andreas? Good? Yeah, looking very smart as usual. He's busy.
George there.
That's your new head waiter.
George, say hello. George.
He's all right.
Say hello.
Hi, Mr. George. You all right? Good. That's their new head waiter and their new boss. Well, it's not their new boss, it's their old boss. Let me show you their old boss. There she is. Look at that. That is the girl herself, and she's pruning herself. Welcome back, Miss Coco. There she is. Bit shy tonight. She's pruning herself, getting ready, and she's going to go on parade that a little bit later, that's for sure. Receive Al Booth. There's one of our superstars. Where's the food tonight? Where's the food? It's coming soon. Well, we'll be back later. We'll be back later. Receive Al Booth.
I have to say, Coco is getting ready for some special evening. It's like a bride before she goes out and everybody will see her. She was like cleaning everything off your... Very clear.
Yes, she is. She's off to the beer fest a bit later with her boyfriend. That's what she's going to do. Anyway, stick with us. It's the Pelican restaurant. That's why we got a Pelican. There it is. The greatest restaurant in the downtown Kato Paphos Harbour area. Normally very busy, but tonight there's something else stealing all of the crowds. Now, just after there, you've got this area, which is the harbour area. So you've got all the boats and all the cruises that operate along the promenade. This is where those cruises all are going to go from. So you've got all sorts going on, private charters, fishing boats, turtle watching, the big boys out tonight. And you've got the man with the tongue just over there. That's our Gumbaro, Mr. Philatis. Let's go and check that it is him, because we have to check. Yep, we're just going to check it. Yes, it is Philates. We always check his tongue, that's for sure. So this is where you come if you want to get one of these boats. The big boy, the Ocean, is out, the Ocean Vision. You've got the Ocean Flyer that's in. You've got the Wave Dancer that's in. You've got the Jolly Roger. And you've got Philates that's in, and his tongue's gone back in his mouth.
Hello guys.
Hello, you all right? Good.
Welcome to Harbour. To book for any cruise. You have everything.
There we are. Absolute superstar. You'll also do your garden as well, because he's going to come and do my garden. Oh, we've got some dancing going on.
The sea today looks like, as my joke is, a lakiest lake in all the lakes in the world.
Well, I know him.
Very
I know
quiet.
him. We know him. We know him already.
Very quiet sea, and it reminds you the lake. It's like not a sea.
Yes, it's like the lakiest lake in the whole of the world. Now, there's a lot going on. This is Philates' new spot. There it is. So he's in charge of the Zorki, along with Captain Yanis. Hold on, he wants the camera. And he wants to show you. There it is, there's the big boat. And there's the numbers to phone if you want to go on it. Yes, Philates? What are you seeing now?
You like this?
Yes, there's Philates' number. But he's already a taken man, if you fancy him. He's already got a wife to be.
Turtles, everything.
Turtles. He
Turtles,
accepts
everything.
turtle.
And there's the Elvis Savari. So he's in cahoots with them as well. So you can pay him in turtles. We can pay you in
Yes,
turtles. Yes.
yes.
One turtle.
Only 25
turtle.
euro.
One turtle, 25 euros, and you get to go with him on that boat. It's over there. That boat's over there. Just in case you're wondering, there it is. The yellow boat over there. And there's a big bird coming in the sky. If you look up there now, there is a big, big bird. Just about make it out. Just about. So that means there's a few people coming into the harbour, that's for sure. And there's a bit of dancing going on.
I don't know how to dance, but I dance it in my manner.
There we are. It doesn't get any more crazy than this, does it? You're wondering what have you stumbled upon? We'll show you Paphos in a totally different way. And Philates will put his tongue out. There we are, you see. We're celebrating the beauty of Paphos and the great late summer that we're having now. And there's dancing. Come on, Philates, dance.
Yeah, we don't
I'll
know
dance
how
then.
to
I'll dance then. There we are. I'll dance as well. We'll all do the Greek dancing. Look at the feet going. There we are.
Yeah, you should know, but it's not easy. You have to be fit, not like me now. A little bit a piggy
Right,
woman.
hold on. Let's go and see if we can get Ruth to dance. Are you dancing tonight? Are you dancing? Oh, come on. Come on, let's have a wiggle. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Here she is. She's going to wiggle her rear end if we're lucky. There we are. We've had a rear end wiggle. That's it. If you're wondering where we are, we're at the Wave Dancer. One of the greatest boat trips on downtown Kato Paphos Harbour. All sorts of trips. Half-day cruises with barbecue, nighttime cruises with fireworks. We're going to go on that boat again very soon because we have noticed that that's quite a popular video because boat trips in downtown Kato Paphos are very popular indeed. That's the captain over there of that boat, which is the Jolly Roger. And again, we're going to go on that one again with his permission very soon. The Kato Paphos Harbour is a great place. Great place. And you're going to come down and have a great time, that's for sure. Receive. It's a bit more dancing going on now. There we are. Can we see the rear end? Right, stick with us. Thanks, Philates. We've got another restaurant.
My friend Awar.
There he is. I know we're going to come and visit that boat as well, which is over there. It's that boat. Yes, it's that boat. We met him already.
Yes.
That's us. You all right? Where are you from?
Egypt.
Egypt. There we are. Ahlan wa sahlan. Yeah, I used to live in Egypt as a small boy. There we are. See, multilingual not. Stick with us. We're going to go and see our last Gumbarus at the very end because again it's a very good restaurant indeed, and it wouldn't be fair not to include them in the fun. And that restaurant of course is the King's Restaurant. So we're going to go and see our Gumbarus down there, and then we're going to get Recife La Bouffe to give you a very good buy indeed. So that's the entrance to the harbour area. Any boat, any cruise you want to go on, small boats, fishing boats, the big boys, they're all operated out of there, that's for sure. Stick with us. Here we go. Let's get to the very far end of the harbour area, and we're going to show you one of the greatest restaurants. It's a cafeteria restaurant taverna. It's got a back of house and it's got a front of house, and that's the front of house. There he is. There's Major Bambus. You all right? Excellent. There we are. Another Gumbaru, and we've got the man in charge tonight. There he is. And then you've got Mr. Harris himself. You all right, Mr. Harris? There he is. He's a great star. Absolute star. There he is, Mr. Harris himself. You all right? Good. Where are we? We're at the King's. That's where we are. King's Restaurant, one of the greatest restaurants in downtown Kato Paphos. Look at that fish.
Very famous.
No, not that famous. Not as famous as him.
You have to follow him in YouTube.
We like him. We're going to pay him later. We'll pay him later. Get in there and have some food. Get in and have some food. Make him a richer man. We saw your wife
Yeah.
going through Paphos in her Mercedes convertible
She's working all day.
all day. She was smiling.
She always smiling.
Always
Even
smiling. Anyway,
inside, upstairs.
good.
madam.
You have a good night, Mr. Harris.
You too.
That's the King's, and that's the final one on the block before we get out into, well, the promenade area. But we'll just say hello and goodbye to these Gumbarus because they're waiting for you as you come in. And here it is, Paphos Sea Cruises. And they've got a new
How
employee.
you call it? I'm Roxy.
Roxy, sexy Roxy. There we are.
I'm Roxy today.
This is sexy Roxy.
Come on.
And that's Ochin Gracivia Alabooth there.
Hi, good evening.
That's Sweet Patricia.
Hi.
And that's Major Tom, who's had a haircut. So we'd like to say thanks for watching, and if you do like what you see, please hit the like and come back for a little bit more of our madness. She's having a bit of gumbarrowing. Let's have a big goodbye, Gracivia Alabooth.
Ah, these lovely girls and the smartest man of the harbour, and me of course, would wish you a very, very good rest of the days, and wish you the best cruises like that and the best holidays you have ever had. Thank you very much for watching, and please come back and see another of our
Say goodnight,
madness.
sexy
Have
Roxy.
a nice evening.
Say goodnight, Sweet Patricia.
Bye.
Say goodnight, Major Tom.
Good night.
There we are. Now the big boy in the cruise, that's out. There's fisher boys coming in. Look at that. They're looking for their fish supper. The big boy in the arsenal was missing from the harbour. The big boy is called the Ocean Vision. That's the name you're looking for, and that's the boat you're after, and that's who runs it. PaphosCruises.com. That's the man who runs the ground control, hence his name is Major Tom. We've got Sweet Patricia, and we've got Sexy Roxanne, and we've got Ochin Gracivia Alabooth. Thanks for watching.